Welcome everyone. Dr. French recently sent out a survey asking about the usage of various programs, and one of the programs that we found out is vastly underutilized is World Book Online. I then found out that World Book Online has a Canvas LTI or an app, so I was able to add the app into Canvas, and just a few moments ago I did that. So now every course that you have, you will see World Book Online is in the course navigation. If you've been following TECMAS regularly, you know that one of the things we want to do is to actually eliminate student navigation items to make navigation as easy as possible. So students can access World Book Online, and looking at the student view, it would look like this, and this is the TECMAS course, and they would click on World Book Online right here, and it would open a new tab. Now, that is not the preferred way to access World Book Online. I'll show you a different way in just a moment, and let's take a look at how you're going to get out of that. Move my picture here for a moment. And if you go to Settings, and then if you go to Navigation, you can disable World Book Online so it does not show up in the course navigation. Remember to hit Save, because that change will not save automatically. And then you can go back to Student View right here, and now notice it does not show up there. So it's not one of the options that is cluttering student navigation. We want to minimize those options on the left side in the course navigation. But what you can do is you can add this to a module. So let's say that I want to add World Book Online as a research tool for the first day of TECMAS. Well, then I am going to, actually I'm going to use the 7th day because that's the day we're on right now. Let's say that I'm going to add that. I can select the plus button right here, and then I can choose External Tool. And from there, I will now see World Book Online. It should be near the bottom as it is alphabetical. There it is, World Book Online. And I can select Add Item. And then, of course, I would need to publish that. So anyone who's completing TECMAS now may wonder why World Book is there, but that's okay. So I'm going to go to Student View, and now let's see what this looks like. So I've not cluttered student navigation here. However, I've placed it within the module where I want students to access that. And from there, I am going to be able to see the 7th day. There we go. There's World Book Online. So now I can access World Book Online, and it's going to do the same thing, except notice now it keeps me within Canvas. So it also eliminates that option of going to an extra tab. So that is definitely the preferred method. If you have any questions about World Book Online, please let me know. But this is a great resource that we are currently paying for that has been underutilized, and we'd love to see the number and the usage of this shoot up after we add the integration in Canvas.